you talking about? Wait, stand up. What's happened?
This is the best.
What's happened now?
It's a matter of life and death, understand?
What is the problem?
Like this girl, understand? Me and she come get that day. I don't knock and finish, pay her money. That I just knock and come, understand? I can't relax. She can't remove condom from my bola. Understand? Me, I think say she can't remove and enter this thing. Enter toilet. I think say she don't go flush her. As I dey like that, people will know. This girl will remove my condom like this. Now I don't go to toilet. As I go to toilet, let's see. Even the pee where I pee for the toilet still there.
As in income condom from
my brother now.
Okay, what's happening now?
So I come meet and say after where the condom. You know that I come rush come outside because she don't already go. I come meet her from the road like this. I come outside where you keep the condom. She tell me that she don't know you. I don't get what you're
saying. Lying. I flushed it. I flushed the condom.
Let me check your bag.
No, you can't check my bag. You can't.
Why?
You can't check my bag. For what?
Okay, wait. If you say you come out condom from him, say you flush the condom. Allow him to check the bag.
No, he can't check my bag.
Are you joking with my life?
You are joking with yourself.
What's your motive here now?
Now the truth is, allow him to check his bag.
He's not checking my bag. You can't check my bag. You can't check my bag.
I paid you, right?
You can't.
I paid you, right?
I'm telling you, you can't check my bag.
I paid you.
You paid me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I did not use your condom.
Okay, wait first.
I need to check the bag.
You can't. He will not check my bag.
Wait, now let him
I don't need him to check my bag. You can't check my bag. You can't check my bag. He will not if I'm not here. No, he will not touch my bag.
Okay, what happened? You, from your
Okay,
side,
fine. Me and him, normally we did short time together. So he paid me.
You be a shower?
Yes, I be a shower. Now wait till I do. So now, you can't. Don't touch my bag. You can't.
Stop. So you do it, you come out with it.
Yes, okay, fine. After we finish what we did together, I happened to remove his condom. Do you understand me? So from there, I walked to the bathroom. Then I flushed it.
There's no water in my house.
The guy saying what
Wait. You don't even have the right to remove this from me. Yes. You should remove it by yourself.
That's how he asked me to remove it from him. Yes.
You are lying.
He asked me to help him. You can't search my
But the
bag.
guy say he doesn't have water in the house. How did you flush the condom?
Okay.
Allow him to check.
Okay, fine. You should check my bag, right? You can't.
Why?
I won't give you my bag.
Okay, just give it to
So you are joking. Nobody's going to check my
Okay, let
bag.
me check.
You can't.
Let me check. Okay, you check it by yourself. Check it by yourself.
When you were doing it, no, you paid me.
No, let him video.
Nobody is checking my
No, let him video.
Nobody.
Let another person check.
My bag
Show that woman. Show another person.
Can I check?
Show another woman.
Let me check.
Why do
Before you check my bag,
Are you joking with my life?
I'm joking with your life. When you were doing it, did you ask me if I'm joking with your life? Did you?
Let me just check your
Sister,
bag.
this is very simple.
Please, sir. Please.
You remove my
Please, with
condom.
all due respect, please respect
Water
yourself.
in the house to flush. Then you carried it.
Respect yourself.
Let me take this back.
Nobody's touching my bag. Nobody's touching my
Collect from this bag.
bag. No, nobody's touching my
Guys, let
bag.
him this back.
Give me my bag. Give me my bag.
you about waiting.
Jesus!
This is gonna kill her. This gonna kill her. This gonna kill her.
I'm trying to relax. No worries, guys. Relax. Baba, relax first. Relax.
Why are you like this, my young woman? Why are you like this?
Relax.
Where you come?
Baba, relax now.
Calm down.
Let me bring the issue now. Relax. Please calm down first.
Oh, yeah,
You don't get right to slap her. You don't get right. I say you don't get right.
come. When do you do all the condom?
Jesus Christ.
You know what should happen here? So
Baba, relax now. Relax. We dey try to arrange this thing.
come.
Calm down now.
Oh, yeah, what do you do all these things?
The bag. It's okay.
Give me another one. Collect all this one.
Baba, collect.
Come. Oh, yeah, come explain. Oh, boy, this thematic issue. What do you do? Take it like brother. You then you like say you don't come this place
for me like I don't kill you for here.
Where you come? I said you know say for me like I don't kill you for here. Okay. I don't want. Oh yeah, come explain. What did they do all this thing? Come.
I don't want them to handle this way. Relax, stand up. Come. What do you do with all this?
Baba,
relax now. Baba, calm down. Jesus. Baba, relax now. You cannot do it this way. You understand? No. You don't have the right. Let's find out first. You don't act like this guy. A petty guy, man.
Not a petty.
I'm not petty.
When you do God now.